Okay, so we've made it to our goal, which was the Gokyo Lakes. We are at almost 16,000 feet. It's been quite an adventure, especially for the first time trekkers. And I really wanted to thank all of you for your encouragement. I mean, you may not think it's we've been following, but believe me, it's helped us all the way to know that you all are behind us. It was really nice. It's nice to read your comments and see that you are following us. There've been a little change in plans. Unfortunately, like last 2 days, we had some bad weather, due to which some of the passes have got really treacherous, and our team leader, he is somebody who you have to listen to. Feel that it's not safe to cross over from here, from Gokyo, towards the EBC side over the Chola Pass. I should say Chola, because there are parts which are even under normal circumstances are really slippery and iced over. And with the last 2 days weather, that section will be really bad. So we are not going to go that side. We offered the others that we could go down and then come up from the alternate route, but I think they are also not the bucket list types. They've had a great time up to here. They've achieved what they wanted to, much more than what they thought they would. A lot of people thought they are not going to be able to do it. Some people did message me saying that they thought that these girls were going to quit, which they didn't. I'm amazed with their determination. And so we've reached our altitude of what we aimed to, 16,000. My goal was to go up to Gokyo-ri, but the weather is expected to turn really bad later by about 11 this evening, so we won't be able to go up to Gokyo-ri up there, from where you get that view, which has been pushing me to come here for the last 13 years. So yeah, just take a call. I mean, people have been asked to turn back from the Everest peak just when they're like 20 meters away, and they've had to. So yeah, you take it with a pinch of salt and say another time. But so we are going to be heading back now down. The girls are happy with how much they've done. We've done EBC before, so we are more than happy doing up to Gokyo, which was our dream for quite some time. And we'll be heading back now slowly. I don't know if you'd want to be bored with updates of the way down, although that's going to be as adventurous. In fact, with you all know, all of us are carrying injuries and knees and ankles, etc. And going down is actually harder. I'll give you updates. I will put up updates, but maybe not as frequently, so that you don't get bored. And so it's a wrap from Gokyo at 16,000 feet. And we should be, and from -7, it's -7 right now, -7 degrees centigrade and Celsius. And I'm not looking forward to going from -7 to 45 degrees back home at the moment. So I'm going to enjoy this as much as possible. Thank you all once again for the amazing encouragement all the way. Thank you so much. Signing out for now.